Welcome. My name is Jeremy Schubel, and I am the Software Business Solution Lead here at VSS. Thank you for viewing our series on Ansible automation. In this session, we are going to focus on VMware and containerization. Before I dive into containerization, I'm going to turn things over to my colleague, Colin Lopez, who will be reviewing automation with VMware.
Thank you, Jeremy. I'm Colin Lopez, and I'm an account development executive here at VSS. And I'm going to talk about how Ansible automation and VMware together can improve your business. First things first, Ansible automation is the enterprise framework for automating across IT operations. Ansible Engine runs Ansible playbooks, the automation language that can perfectly describe an IT application infrastructure. Ansible Tower allows you to scale IT automation, manage complex deployments, and speed productivity. The case for Ansible can be stated as simple, powerful, and agentless. Human-readable automation refers to the fact that Ansible playbooks are written in YAML. YAML is a space-delimited, minimal syntax markup language. It is actually so simple that no previous coding experience is needed, and most people can pick it up very quickly. Powerful is a bit of an understatement. Ansible can be used for application deployment across many platforms and configuration management across the entire IT infrastructure. It uses OpenSSH and WinRM to build remote connections and does not require an agent for the target system. This is significant because there isn't a centralized control server required, and there are not agents needing updates, nor are they vulnerable to exploitation. No matter where you are on your IT modernization journey, an enterprise-wide IT operations automation strategy can help you improve existing processes and prepare for digital transformation. With automation, you can accelerate operations, increase consistency, increase availability, and improve security and compliance. Make it possible to do more with what you already have. Ansible will help you automate your VMware infrastructure and accelerate the process from the development to production. Many enterprise IT teams have an operations team managing the VMware infrastructure and a second team deploying apps to this environment. Using Ansible with VMware allows your team to enable a simple self-service IT model across all environments. In addition, Red Hat Ansible Tower can be used as a common tool across both teams, reducing complexity. The operations team can write Ansible playbooks and job templates to describe the environments, and the app team can build environments and deploy apps with a single click of a button. With Ansible, one member on your team can figure out how to solve a problem, automate the solution with Ansible, and then everyone knows how to solve the problem. Expanding automation to allow everyone to participate will ensure you get the most out of your existing infrastructure and will prepare your organization for tools such as a cloud manager, helping you realize even greater benefits. Chances are VMware isn't your only infrastructure tool. With the Ansible's extensive list of integrations and capabilities, you'll be able to model nearly any process in your IT organization, and you can use the same tools you have today. Over half of Ansible customers are using Ansible and VMware today, and they're using it to glue together complicated workflows that encompass a physical network, build systems, a monitoring service, and finally a firewall and load balancer, all while ensuring everything is configured exactly the right way each time, every time. And when you're ready to go hybrid, Ansible's broad support for cloud providers is ready. Out of the box, Ansible ships with over 50 VMware modules supporting most use cases, including managing vSphere data centers, VM template and snapshot management, vSwitches, DNS settings, firewall rules, and NAT gateway rules. Many VMware customers use vRealize Automation, VRA, to automate the provisioning of VMs and would prefer to use Ansible Tower for orchestration and application deployment. Ansible Tower is now accessible from VRA, enabling advanced provisioning and ongoing day 2 management functions. The combination of VRA and Ansible Tower expands the scope of possible automation for customers in a manner that is faster and simpler than was previously possible. Now I'm going to pass it on to Jeremy, who's going to talk about OpenShift.
Thank you, Colin. This is Jeremy again, and now we're going to transition from virtualization to containerization. The Red Hat Automation and OpenShift teams have been collaborating to build a new way to package, deploy, and maintain Kubernetes native application, Ansible operators. Operators have helped simplify deployment, management, and operations of stateful applications in Kubernetes. If you want to learn how to develop your own Ansible operator using the Operator SDK, the OpenShift team has built a course on Ansible operators. There are also several other courses available for OpenShift. In Red Hat OpenShift, service brokers are the missing link between the consumer and the provider. The broker holds information about the services provided and carries out the details of ordering, provisioning, and connecting these services to the application being built, and automates steps that used to be performed by IT operations and multiple tools. Some of the service broker benefits are develop faster, streamlined access to your services for your teams and provide a consistent experience for your application developers no matter where they choose to build. Deploy anywhere. Red Hat OpenShift lets you deploy applications anywhere, on-premise or in global availability regions from hundreds of cloud providers. Scale with confidence. Grow your business and scale your applications. Secure elastic services and on-demand infrastructures from VSS. When we consider a hybrid cloud strategy with service brokers make it possible to use the services most suitable for your applications, no matter who provides them or where they are hosted. They eliminate the operational complexity of provisioning a heterogeneous set of services across multiple providers. Red Hat has worked closely with AWS to develop the AWS Service Broker, which makes it easy to provision and consume AWS services from Red Hat OpenShift. Together, the AWS Service Broker and Red Hat OpenShift make it easy to build better applications faster using the best infrastructure and services from your on-premise resources and the public cloud. When developing microservices based on applications to run on cloud-native platforms, there are many ways to provision different resources and share their coordinates, credentials, and configuration depending on the service provider and their platform. To give developers a more seamless experience, OpenShift Container Platform includes a service catalog and an implementation of the Open Service Broker API, Kubernetes. This allows users to connect to any of their applications deployed in OpenShift Container Platform to a variety of service brokers. The service catalog allows cluster administrators to integrate multiple platforms using a single API specification. The OpenShift Container Platform web console displays the service classes offered by brokers in the service catalog, allowing users to discover those services for use with their applications. As a result, service users benefit from ease and consistency of use across different types of services from different providers, while service providers benefit from having one integration point that gives them access to multiple platforms. Some of the key points that Ansible automation will help you with is accelerate operations and by freeing up your skilled engineer staff to complete other projects, improve security and compliance, uh, increase consistency and eliminate manual human error, and increase availability. For more information on Ansible automation with virtualization or to schedule a live demonstration, you can contact me, Jeremy Schupel, or your VSS account executive.